Hey, so we're in Conner, Washington, just touring around the downtown area. Beautiful, quaint little town. Definitely recommend people come check it out. What do you think, Bernice?
It's beautiful, and the town have a lot of really cool shops. The food we had, Slider Cafe, it's very delicious. And then there's like cute like outdoor outerwear stores have super cute stuff. Yeah, they're a little big for me, but I like the style.
Cool. So come down to Conner, get some food, do a little shopping. Great place to come visit.
Alright, we're looking at this old fur log. It was first was 1210. It was a baby, just this little big. And that's when England's King John signs Magna Carta. What is that? But I know 1233 is when China first uses gunpowder rocket as a weapon. They did teach us in school for that. 1250, European sailors first used magnetic compass. How far do you want me to go down? Oh, Marco Polo begins 24 years journey through Asia in 1271. So the tree is like about this big, right? Pretty cool. So it has been 60 years. 60 years it grew that big.
What's this thing?
It's a cartridge.
It's a carriage. What are these things?
It's a brothel tokens. And so this one says, good for one screw.
What does that say?
Every day I'm hustling. I'm kind of big deal. Another one.
The pirates be wise, and you can be too. Just find some money and put it to good use.
What is that?
Wheelchair, but it has a toilet built in, so we can just use it.
Zoltar's talking again.